Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see who subscribed to you on YouTube. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open YouTube. Once you open YouTube, you simply log in your channel and then you need to click on your channel icon in the top right, and here you need to click on YouTube Studio. Once you are in YouTube Studio, you simply need to scroll and here you can see the option of recent subscribers. Click on see all so you can see all your subscribers. So here you have a filter to check the subscriber of last 7 days, last 28 days, last 90 days, last 365 days and lifetime. And here you can see according to the pages. So here you can see that these are all my subscribers. So this is the process by which you can see all your YouTube subscribers. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.